Well, students, we hope you all are well. Now, grade 4th class, we can start now today new chapter, geometry. Chapter 12. Now, first point of this chapter is we will discuss here point. What is a point? Point ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? We can write down only a dot here. Name it A. ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ? A. Okay. There is no length, no breadth and no height. That is called a dot. In geometrical way, we can take here an exact location represent a point. Okay. An exact location represent a point. Next point we can take here, a point is represented by a dot. इन्हें dot लगा के ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि what is a point. Next point we can take line segment. What is a line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. Is a part of a line. We can take here the straight line path. Path means rasta. From A to B is called the line segments. Now we can take here 2 points A and B. A and B. When we join, we have take the scale. When we join A and B point, we will get the line segment. Line segment. Okay. This is the exact length. Is called a line segment. Okay. Now here is given a first point to denote the line segment. It is denoted by AB, or when we draw this line on A and B, it shows that A to B is a line segment. This is a symbol of a line segment. Next important point for the line segment is it has two fixed endpoints. मतलब कि इस तो बाद कोई लाइन अगे एग्जैक्ट नहीं ले सकते. ठीक है. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ अ लाइन सेगमेंट. बी इज द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट. इट मीन्स स्ट्रेट पाथ फ्रॉम ए टू बी. Next, last important point of line segment is it also has a fixed length. It also has a fixed ray. What is ray? The figure on the right shows a ray AB. Now we can draw here the figure of ray. Take a point A. Start from A. Draw a ray from A. And there is no end of ray. Start from A, but there is no end of ray. We can write down here a arrow sign. Arrow means it extends to one side. It extends to one side. The example of ray is sun rays, torch rays. These are the examples of rays. Now what is the important point of the ray? That is, it is denoted by AB. It is denoted by AB. This is the symbol of ray to write down on point A and B. Now here we can take a point B. Okay. Next is important point. It has one end point. मतलब एक किधर end point है. Next, it does not have a fixed length. यदि fixed length नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? Because it is extend to the to the other side. One is the end point, other is no end point. So that's why we can say that a ray is extend on one side and other point has the fixed straight line is an endless straight path that extends in both directions. It written as AB. Now here symbol is both sides arrow. How to draw the straight line? We can take here a scale and draw a line. ठीक है. It is a line. How it is a line? Because we can write down here arrows. That means arrow means we can extend both sides. of A and B points lie on the line. Okay, what is the next important points of a straight line? A line has no end points. इधर कोई end point नहीं है, ठीक है? It does not have a fixed length. इधर कोई fixed length भी नहीं है. Okay, now we will start exercise 12.1. Question first is, look at the figure and write how many line segments are joined to form the figure. First figure is given here, three sides. Three sides figure is called triangle. 1 number side, 2 number side and 3 number sides. How many line segments of a triangle? There are, yes, line segments. Kinya line segments hai? How many line segments? That is 3. Now in this figure, question number 2, how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, how many line segments in the second figure? That is 4. So there are so many figures, we can write down the line segments. So in this way we can write down the line segments in all the parts of this A question. Okay, now third number sum is in this figure, line segments. How many line segments? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in fourth question there are also 4 line segments, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now question number 5, in this figure it has 5 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now question number 6, it has 6 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next one, 7 line segments, 6. How it is? It has the 6 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In 8th number sum, it has 4 line segments, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 9th question, it has the 8 line segments. How it has 8 line segments? Count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last is 8. In the 10th number sum, it has 5 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last is 5. In this figure there are 5 line segments. How many line segments in pentagon? 5. Next, last is the 11th number sum. It has 3 sides. It is called a triangle. In triangle line segments are 3. Okay beta, thanks for watching the videos.